What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. JP here. So I want to talk to you a little bit about Suno.ai, which is a music generation software, an AI music generation mogul at this point. It has revolutionized the way that content creators can release music. What I love about AI generated music is that it is copyright free, and I've been creating content for years, and my biggest issue is finding music that doesn't have copyrights associated to it, because when I upload my videos with background tracks or background music that is copywritten, what happens is I get a notification from YouTube saying I cannot monetize. That's not always the case, but it is often the case. So here we are at Suno.ai. Again, I have experimented with a few different programs, and I keep coming back to Suno.ai. Within the last 2.5 months, I have generated over 1,000 songs. I got an email from Suno last week saying, congratulations, you are a user that has surpassed 1,000 generations. But again, I'm always creating and generating music. I didn't realize that I hit over that 1,000 mark. So here we are on the dashboard of Suno.ai. And what it is, it's very intuitive. It's very easy to use. You just type in a song description, and it has these default parameters that they put in for you. This one is an infectious Afrobeat song about finding love on a rainy day. So it's just they put random song descriptions in here for you. What Suno also does is if you go to Explore, you can explore new styles of music with Suno, and you can click on any of these song descriptions. I mean, bubblegum bass and Coptic fro rock and what is this, grime tango. It's really, again, I say this all the time. If I didn't have a full-time job, this is what I would do all day. I would create content, and I would be using music from Suno.ai. So let's go back to the main page here. We're going to go to Create. So here we are, and as you can see, this is just one page of my creations, song descriptions, right? I do a lot of instrumental, and obviously for my background music, most of it is instrumental. So I would just click this on as instrumental. Now, if you click custom, this is cool. You can enter the style of music, and then I'm going to take it off instrumental. You can enter your own lyrics. Now, I am a composer and a songwriter, so I've taken some of my old songs, my old lyrics, and I've plugged them into here, and then I put in the style of music, and then voila, it creates a brand new song with my lyrics. And I've released some of that on YouTube, which is kind of cool. Custom is enter lyrics, style of music, and then you enter the title. So let's go back home. Okay, here we are. This is the home of Suno, and there is a public gallery or a public library that if you select that button to go public, your music can be published on Suno.ai for others to enjoy. So here we are. So let's go back to Create. All right, we're going to take it off of custom, and then we're just going to put a song description, and we're going to let Suno.ai do its magic. And you know what? Let's do a contemporary pop song about driving to the beach. All right, contemporary pop song about driving to the beach. Strong drums and electric guitar with a catchy hook. Okay, and let's see what Suno does with this description, right? It's not an instrumental. I do want Suno to create lyrics on this particular one. And let's go ahead and create that. And within about 15 seconds, it will have generated not one, but two different tracks to choose from. Now, I find with any AI generation software, 50% of these generations in general they're not very good. I've been writing music for over 35 years, and I have quite an ear. And again, 50%, I would say maybe 50 to 60% of the music that AI generates of these generations, they're just not that good. So, all right. So let's listen to this. Got a catchy hook in the beginning.
Windows down, wind in hair, cruising through the night. Neon lights, they glare, beaches in our sight. Cities fading fast, heartbeats in the
All right, we'll get to the chorus to really hear the hook.
Waves beneath our feet, drop to the coast, feeling alive tonight. Got the waves as a host,
Okay.
so don't make it right.
Okay, so it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not great. But let's go to this second generation, which is Drive to the Coast. Again, two options. Strong guitar on this one. Sounds a little country. Okay.
Windows down, wind in hair, cruising through the night.
I like this one a little better so far.
Lights, they glare,
So I'm going to scrub to the chorus.
sunrise coming at last.
Here we go. We're on the end of the second verse.
Drive to the coast, feeling alive tonight. Got the waves as our host, so make it right.
Okay, so again, it's pretty good. I mean, I'm a little desensitized to this now. When I first heard AI music, I was completely blown away. You know, music that wasn't even near this good. I was completely blown away with how AI can generate everything, right? All the stems, the drums, the bass, the guitar, pianos, all these miscellaneous instruments. I was blown away. But now, because I've listened to thousands upon thousands of songs, this one's okay, But what I do in Suno is I actually go ahead and delete whatever I don't like. I will delete right away, just to kind of clear my library. I don't want it filled with music that I'm gonna have to go back and listen to and be like, you know what? I don't really like that one. I never really liked it. Let's get rid of it. So that's that. Again, you could spend hours on this, and I do just kind of creating music. A lot of what I create needs music, so I do spend a lot of time on Suno. So if you need ideas, on the left side it says person, special occasions, so you can click any of these and just help you generate ideas. What I've done, and here's a little secret for you guys. I have gone over to ChatGPT. Now, I subscribe to ChatGPT, the 4.0, the premium, and that seems to be a little bit better than the free version of that. But I asked ChatGPT to create lyrics for me of a song, because I'm not always crazy about the lyrics that Suno.ai comes up with. It's okay. But I will grab the lyrics from ChatGPT and plug them into here, and then plug in the song description. Which I've had a few successful songs on, a few really good songs that I've released on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel where I'm only releasing AI music, and I am not claiming it as my own. I am claiming it as AI. Actually, my name is not even associated on this YouTube channel, and I will fill you in on that name in future episodes. I'm testing out the market right now, but anyway, and that seems to be going pretty well. But again, this is copyright-free music that you can use, and you could claim it as your own. I don't. When I do a collaboration with this AI, I will state, "Hey, it's me," and then I'm using AI technology for the background music. But it is copyright-free, and technically you do own the music. So when you release it, it is considered yours, and that's what I love about AI generation software. All right, but let me just show you real quick again. I had mentioned before about the cover, this brand new option where it can create covers. So if I like this Celestial Dreams, let me just play this for you. Okay, so you can hear that Celestial Dream. This is like an ambient, it's called ethereal ambient electronic. And if you need ideas for this, they actually, these descriptions are after you put your parameters in. And if you like these descriptions, right, of the tracks that they create, you can just copy those, plug those back into the song description. Now I've created entire albums using the same description, and Suno.ai creates different sounding tracks. So I'm going to take this track here, and I'll give you an example of how this cover option works. So click on these three dots on the right side, and we're going to create a cover song, which is beta. They just released this, I believe, 3 or 4 days ago. So create a cover song. All right, lyrics, no lyrics, instrumental style music. Let's go Trans-Siberian rock orchestra with strings and electric guitars. Let's see what it'll do with this. So we're gonna generate. So we got instrumental. There's the title, Celestial Dreams cover. Let's create this. All right, let's listen. There we go. This is what I was looking for. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward. All right. I like this. This is really, really cool. So it did a really good job at covering the Celestial Dream spa type of song. Did a great job at covering that. So anyway, lots of great features on here, lots of exploring to do. If you do, I would recommend, if you are looking for copyright-free music, if you're looking to be creative, check out Suno.ai. If you have any questions, just pop those in the comments. And thank you all for liking and subscribing. Doing that definitely helps. It's helping my channel grow. So I look forward to seeing you all on the next episode. Take care.